And another question that you asked is basically, Tommy, people tell me, for example, AdSense is supposed to be like the little tip jar to my content. The thing is, financial channels are very comfortable with AdSense being, for example, their primary source of income. Because in reality, they make so much money because our CPM is so much higher. So when we're
Yeah.
making, for example, 20%, I mean, not 20%, like $20, like per thousand views, like 35 or 45, people even make like 50, $80 sometimes. You might say, like, I don't really need to focus on anything else, right? Because you make so much money from there. Now, other channels, when they're making like $10 or $5, they have to find a way to make money aside from AdSense. Because by the way, AdSense not be that much for them, but for us, it might mean, for example, like 10,000, 15K, 30K, 40K on a very good month. Maybe like even like $50,000, right? Now,
Right.
when it comes to YouTube, the most important thing in your case is you have to build a brand. You have to build, for example, brand loyalty. People come to your channel all the time to see you, make it fun, and all that stuff. For example, you have AdSense is a really good way to make money for like financial channels, make a lot of money from that also. But you also have digital products like courses, or for example, physical products like books and so on. That's other aspects of actually making money. Again, finance channels are very, for example, comfortable, so they forget to do this stuff. So when it drops 60% or 40%, they start to worry. It's a part of the game. Nothing's permanent. I think things change for me on YouTube when I noticed that my job is not just to make YouTube money. Because when I make, for example, like 20K a month, YouTube made, for example, 15K, 70K a month. And the only way YouTube makes money is if, for example, I get a lot of views and they promote the channel. My job is more like to fulfill a need for my audience and to also monetize myself in my own way. So if I say I'm going to make a course and my course costs $300, if I make a book, $15, and I say, well, click through is, for example, 3%. So every time I get 1,000 views, someone buys my course, 3% on average. That means every 1,000 views might be worth, for example, now $300 and so on. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So you have to find a way to monetize your audience yourself, not through just YouTube, and to solve the problems that they actually have. Because one thing people don't like is feeling like they're just being used or like you're just selling them something that you believe in. Does that make sense?
You've got to start